This question's from Johan Halen, who writes, "You're sitting on 168 billion of cash, which you told us today is now more than 182 billion dollars." His questions are: one, what is Buffett waiting for? And two, why not at least deploy some of it?
Well, I think that's pretty easy to answer. I don't think anybody sitting at this table has any idea of how to use it effectively, and therefore we don't use it, and we don't use it now at 5.4%, but we wouldn't use it if it was at 1%. Um, don't tell the Federal Reserve that, but prefer it. But the we only swing at pitches we like, and if anybody tried to swing at every pitch or felt that because they hadn't swung at a pitch for the last two pitches, they ought to swing at the third one or something like that. It's just there are times, and obviously, but I would say this: I would not like to be running 10 billion now. 10 million, I think I think Charlie or I could earn high returns on, because I think there are just a few things that happen on a very, very small scale. But it, if we had 10 billion, I wouldn't basically see many more opportunities than we found. Now, it's true that something like Japan we could have done if the company had had a 30 or 40 billion, we'd have had great returns on equity. But if I saw one of those now, I'd do it for Berkshire. That it isn't like I'm got a hunger strike or something like that going on. It's just that things aren't attractive, and and there's well, there's certain ways that can change, and we'll see whether they do.